Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you guys have a Dodge Challenger, you need to find the fuse for the sunroof. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You actually guys have up to 2 fuses that you need to check. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain where each one of those is located and why it's super important to test fuses guys, relays, otherwise you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money fixing a problem that you guys ignored. So we'll talk about that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can guys save a ton of money. So now looking here, actually the fuse guys, okay, for the fuse, for the sunroof, it's not in the front box right here. It's actually in a fuse box that's located in the trunk. Now this Challenger has been in a little bit of an accident, but ignore that, okay, still runs and drives great, great machine. And if we come right here, we're going to open the trunk. And when we open the trunk guys, okay, under the, that cover, where your battery and spare is, you have one more fuse box right here located. That fuse box you press down right here, you press this way to the right and pull the cover up. Now, which fuse guys we need to check here? Okay, let's see now. You need to check fuse number 5. F5 guys is for sunroof, okay? And if you come right here, starting this is the first fuse, that's number 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. We are talking guys about a 30 fuse right here, that fuse here. Very important to test them. We'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test fuses and relays. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. And if you need to buy new fuses, relays for a really good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below as well. The second fuse that you will need to check guys, it's actually a smaller fuse and it's for multiple things. The role of that fuse is for sunroof actually guys, for rain sensor and light sensor as well. You need the light sensor for the AC, climate control to work correctly, rain sensor for automatic wipes. And if you come right here, you're coming to that section right here and you're going to start counting, okay, even the missing fuses here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're talking about that fuse right here. That 10 fuse is the one that you will need to check. If your sunroof still doesn't work, we have a video on the channel that explains why sunroof doesn't work. Check it out, it will teach you all about that and how to fix it and how to reset sunroof as well. That could be your problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.